Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I am Jagdeep Rosario. Today let us continue with rational numbers, 8th standard mathematics, NCERT or CBSE. First let us solve some examples and then let us go to exercise number 1. So without any delay, let us start. Write is find using distributivity. 9 by 16 into 4 by 12 plus 9 by 16 into minus 3 by 9. We know the distributive property. A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Now we have to see here what is the value of A, what is B and what is C. Here given A is equal to 9 by 16, B is equal to 4 by 12 and C is equal to minus 3 by 9. Now let us substitute the values here. A is 9 by 16 into B is 4 by 12 plus C is minus 3 by 9. This is equal to AB, A is 9 by 16 into 4 by 12 plus AC, A is 9 by 16 and C is minus 3 by 9. Now let us say this as LHS and which is the right hand side we will write RHS. Now let us go to LHS. Here let us write 9 by 16 as it is. Now let us simplify this. 4 ones are 4 and 4 3s are 12. And here 3 ones are 3 and this is 3 3s are 9. So that we will write 1 by 3 minus into plus is minus 1 by 3. This is equal to, let's go to RHS. Here 4 ones are 4, 4 4s are 16 and here 3 3s are 9 and here 3 4s are 12. And we will write here 3 by 4 into 1 by 4 plus here 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9 and this will remain minus 3 by 16. Now we will solve here. 9 by 16 we will write as it is. Denominator is 3 is common and 1 minus 1 is 0. This is equal to 3 1s are 3 by 4 4s are 16 plus minus 3 by 16. This is equal to 9 by 16 into 0 by 3 is 0. This is equal to 3 by 16. Sorry. Here 16 is common denominator and 3 minus into plus is minus. 3 minus 3 is 0. So that 9 by 16 into 0 is 0 and 0 by 16 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS and your answer is 0. Next, example 3. Write the additive inverse of the following. First, minus 7 by 9. Additive inverse of minus 7 by 9 is 7 by 9. Because minus 7 by 9 plus 7 by 9 is equal to minus 7 plus 7 is 0 and denominator is 9. This is equal to 0. Similarly, 21 by 112. Additive inverse of 21 by 112 is minus 21 by 112. Because 21 by 112 plus minus 21 by 112 is equal to 21 minus into plus is minus. 21 minus 21 is 0. 0 by 112 is 0. Next, example 4. Verify that minus of minus x is same as x for 13 by 17. Additive inverse of x is equal to 13 by 17 is minus x. This is equal to minus of 13 by 17. Because 13 by 17 plus minus 13 by 17 is equal to 0. The same equality (13 by 17) plus minus 13 by 17 is equal to 0 shows that additive inverse of minus 13 by 17 is 13 by 17, or minus of minus 13 by 17 is equal to 13 by 17 is equal to x, or minus of minus x is equal to x. Verified. Second, minus 21 by 31. Let us verify that minus of minus x is same as x. Additive inverse of x is equal to minus 21 by 31 is minus x, means 21 by 31. Because minus 21 by 31 plus 21 by 31 minus 21 by 31 plus 21 by 31 is equal to 0. That means 21 minus 21 is 0. The same equality minus 21 by 31 plus 21 by 31 is equal to 0 shows that additive inverse of 21 by 31 is minus 21 by 31, or minus of 21 by 31 is equal to minus 21 by 31. This is equal to x, or minus of minus x is equal to x. Next, example 5. Find 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14 minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. We have to find the solution using appropriate property, commutative property, distributive property or associative property. Now, we have to see here which is common. Minus 3 by 7 is common, and here if we take sign here plus, then it will become minus 3 by 7. So that we will rearrange this and we will write solution. We will write as it is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7. Then we will write minus 1 by 14 at the end. And here we will write plus and minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. Here we have used commutativity. A into B is equal to B into A. Now we will rearrange. Here minus 3 by 7 is common. This is equal to minus 3 by 7 and into 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 minus 1 by 14. This is by distributivity. Okay? What is the distributivity? A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Okay? So that this is equal to, here 5 is common and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 by 5 is equal to 1. We will write here 3 by 7. 2 plus 3 is 5 divided by 5 minus 1 by 14. This is equal to 5 by 5 is 1. So that 1 into 3 by 7 is minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14. So that here LCM is 14 and 7 2s are 14 and 14 1s are 14. So that here 3 into 2 is 6 minus 6 minus 1. This is equal to minus 7 by 40. This is equal to 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. This is equal to minus 1 by 2 is your answer. Exercise number 1 will be solved in next video. Now I am going to wrap up my video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please press on like button, and if you are not subscribed my channel still, please subscribe my channel so that you will get notification of my new videos. Let us meet in next video with exercise number 1.